The night of the Sponge Cadets concert is here already, and it looks like they have a lot of fans in Everyday.
This is so exciting, Dada. All the other children are in bed, but I'm staying up late to rock out.
Yes, Maya. Although I don't know how much rocking out there'll really be. Everyone here is quite sensible, you know.
Not everyone.
Mama, go!
I thought you couldn't find a babysitter in time.
Well, I didn't want to miss Maya's first experience of a rock concert, so I got Grandpa to look after Sammy and got myself the very last ticket.
Yay!
We better get in there. I hear that rock bands always start on time.
It's so exciting. The band back together again. Are you a big fan, Maya?
Well, I don't know their songs very well, but I like rocking out. Will you be rocking out?
I'm a bit old for that.
Everyone is eager for the start of the concert.
Good evening, Everyday! Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to rock out?
What's this? It doesn't look like part of the show.
Folks, I'm sorry to tell you that our guitar player hurt himself trying to lift a television in his hotel room. And I guess that means we won't be playing tonight.
Oh.
Unless, do we have a guitar player in the audience?
Yes, my Dada knows all the chords to your songs because there are only 3.
Huh?
Well, come on up, Daddy Go.
It looks like we'll have a concert after all.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's dynamite, dynamite, dynamite.
What's happening? Everyone's just nodding.
Yes, that's how grown-ups express themselves sometimes.
Is that rocking out?
Not really, no.
Can we rock out, Mama?
Why not?
It looks like everyone wants to rock out now. Maya might not know rock very well, but she knows how to express herself.